Hey guys, this is Kiriti, and we're about to unbox the Huawei Y6 Prime 2019. The Huawei Y6 Prime comes in a white box with a prominent Y6 decal at the front. Let us open the box and see what we get. Note, this is a review unit, and the accessories that you might see here differ slightly from what you get on your retail unit. Inside the box, you get the phone itself, a wall adapter, USB charging cable, quick start guide, and a SIM/micro SD tray ejector. This is how our review unit looks like when you lay it out. Setting the accessories aside, we go back to the actual phone. The Y6 Prime 2019 has a striking design. On the front, you are greeted with a 6.09-inch display with a resolution of 1560 by 720 pixels. The selfie camera is an 8 megapixel unit and it sits on the middle of the dewdrop notch. The sides and the back are all plastic. It feels unusually light, which is a good thing. One of the most interesting aspects about the Y6 Prime 2019 is the faux leather plastic panel at the back. The one that I have here is the amber brown variant, and it looks like leather indeed. It feels coarse to the touch, and frankly I prefer it better than the flashy Y7 and Y9 2019 variants. Also at the back, you get a single 30 megapixel primary camera with flash and a fingerprint scanner at the back. The phone has 32 gigabytes of internal storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and 3000 mAh battery. It's powered by a MediaTek 6761 processor and runs under Pri. Currently, I'm on the February 2019 security patch, and I wish that is continuously updated. I will be using this phone in the next few days, and check out for the full review later on. Cheers.